Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to naturally crimp your hair like this. So you're going to need these things. You're going to need a bunch of hair pretties, a brush, and a separating comb. And you're also going to want your hair to be wet, so I'm going to take a quick shower, come back, and then I'll show you guys how to do this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I took a shower and my hair is all clean. And now your hair is brushed back out of your face, and you're going to part it whichever way you like. I like to part mine to the side and just get all the little hairs. And now you're going to brush it. Okay, so just get all the extra water out, and now your hair is going to be combed through with a comb just in case. Okay, so you're going to want to spray your hair with some non-frizz hairspray, just like at the tips, because you really don't want your braids or your crimp to be very poofy, especially not at the tips, because it doesn't look good. Okay, so now, hold on, I will be right back. You're gonna spray your hair with some stuff, it helps your hair get soft. I'm pretty sure all of you guys have some. And just put it on the roots, definitely on the tips. So pretty much everywhere. Okay, so now just brush your hair again. Okay, so just dry your hands off. Okay, and yeah, okay, so now you're going to take your sectioning comb and you're going to section off your bangs. And just get every piece of your bangs. Okay, because I don't want my bangs to be crimped. So now section off about an inch down your hair. And make sure that this side is also even and sectioned off. I don't think I'm going to be braiding that either, so I'm going to leave that. And just brush the piece of hair that you're going to be braiding. And take this like that. Make sure that you can see. Okay, so now you're going to be braiding this part. So take it into 3 sections, of course, and just start braiding. You're gonna want to make sure that it's closest to the roots as possible, and so you can just get rid of some hair so that you can get as close to the roots as possible, because you don't want just straight hair on the top. I'm going to do 1 braid for you guys, and then I'm going to do the rest, and then I will show you how it looks in the morning. Okay. So now you have this piece of hair, and you're going to divide it in 3 sections. 1, 3, okay, so now you're just going to start braiding your hair. Okay, and to hold it in place, just put a rubber band around it. And your whole hair piece doesn't have to be braided. It just makes it harder for the rubber band to stay on if your whole hair section is braided. Okay, so now you have 1 braid, and then I'm going to do the rest, and I'll show you how much I have. Okay, so I did all my braids, and this is how it turns out. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 braids. And when I wake up in the morning, it will be full and curly. And so thank you for watching, and I'll have more videos soon, so hope you enjoyed it, hope you enjoy the look that you get from it, and I'll talk to you guys, see you guys later. Bye!